Hey guys, Sylvia here, and I'm back with another episode of free shit that YouTubers get. This is number 5, I think, so I hope you guys are still enjoying it. I was gone for a week when I was in Florida, and I now have a bunch of packages. Alright, first let's start with some stuff I got from YSL. So I went to a YSL event recently and we were able to engrave our lipsticks and perfumes and whatnot. So here is mine. Isn't that pretty? It's also open to the public as well. When this video is up, it's probably not going to be available anymore, but just a heads up that if you follow me on Instagram, you will always know when there's some sort of cool engraving event. YSL does it every few months or so, usually at Sephora or the Bay or something like that, but I think it makes a great gift. This is also just great for myself. I like having personalized lipsticks. So I have a bunch of these Tint-in-Balms already. This one is number 8. I wanted one that was one that I don't have yet, and this is a coral one. So yes, that is a more coral-like color, and I think that I will really like this. I'm really liking coral lipsticks, and this balm is nice and sheer, but also actually provides a lot of great color. In my bag, there's also a mascara. This is the Faux Cil Mascara, which means false lashes mascara in French. See, I did pay attention in French class. It says that this one's an improved formula and does not dry out. I'll give this one a try. I usually only use mascara if it's waterproof because that's the only way that my lashes hold up, but I always give them a try regardless because some designer ones or high-end ones will hold them up here and there. Depends. It really depends. I also got one of their new Touche Eclat blur primers. So if you guys are into the YSL sphere, you know that they have the blur primer that has that gold flecks in it. However, now they have 3 different colors. So they have this pink one, a blue one, and an orange one, and they all are for different things. This pink one I think is for brightening. I think the blue one is maybe for dullness, tiredness, dullness, and I think orange might be for uneven skin. I'm probably just making all this shit up. I shouldn't be saying these things. I'm sure you guys can find the information somewhere on the internet, if not here. And then I have 2 lipsticks. So another Tint-in-Balm. This one's number 12. I actually don't know if I have this one already. I think I might have this one already. I will have to check my collection, but it's a berry color. YSL is actually probably my favorite brand for lipsticks just in general. You guys need to see my YSL lipstick collection. It's like 3 drawers big. The reason why I like it because I feel like a lot of them are actually like have a bit of oil in them, so it really hydrates and soaks into my lips. And most of the time it's very low maintenance. Like I love doing like a really great liquid lipstick like this. However, I'm more of a low maintenance lipstick type of person. I like ones that, you know, are sheer or can be smudged out or can be blurred out so that you can't tell when it's messed up in a sense. I also really like their stains. Their stains are one of my favorites because it's so easy. I can put them, oh, this is a stain. Vinyl cream. I think this is one, yeah, this is the one with the stain. Oh, I don't have this color yet. So you put it on and it looks great, but as it fades throughout the day, it keeps the stain on your lips. I really like that like lollipop lip look. Next time I do this video, I'm just not gonna wear any lip products so I can try all the lip products. So this next one is super fun. I don't think I've ever shown you guys this on video before, but a package from Butter Aveeno, which is a dessert macaron shop here in Toronto. One of my favorite places. They are a sister shop to Butter Baker, which is my favorite bakery of all time, downtown Toronto. It is so good. They sent me some of their new goodies that are coming out for spring, I believe. This first one is called Ma Chérie. So it's this pretty heart-shaped pastry. I don't know if you guys can see that. This is a bad idea. This is really hard to show you guys. Their little boxes are so cute. Oh shit. These are eclairs though. Guys, look at this. What? Oh, there's like a matcha one. Looks like berries and then chocolate. I'm drooling. Are you? If you guys are dessert fiends, do not sleep on Butter Aveeno. You gotta get that shit. Next, I have something from Guerlain. This is the Rouge G de Guerlain, which is a lipstick. This is a really, really cool lipstick because you can actually change the case and the shade. So you can choose a shade among 30 desirable colors, choose your case among 15 new styles, and customize your lipstick. That's pretty cool. Box right here. Let me open this up. Okay, so they sent me 5 different cases. Look at that. Ooh, I like that pink one that says Guerlain on it. That's really pretty. Okay, when you open it, the mirror pops up. and then you can have a little mirror to help you apply lipstick. That's really cool because you can then remember which lipstick is in like which case. So it's like, oh, you know, I know that my pink lipstick is in my pink case, and I know that like maybe this like really dark lipstick is in my black case. Here's like a coral-ish red. Since I don't really need that many red lipsticks in my life, I'll keep the ones that are my favorite. I think I'll give away these 4 right here because I liked the 2 up here. All you have to do is be a subscriber, follow me on Instagram, and then comment below what your Instagram is, and you'll be entered to win one of these. So 4 different winners. Next, I have a little box from Smashbox. They sent over one of their limited edition PhotoFinish primer waters in the centering citrus. I have told you guys in the past that the primer water is my #1 primer. It's my favorite primer of all time. I don't know what it is, but something about this primer water just keeps my makeup on all day, but also just keeps it intact so it doesn't get cakey. I just usually spray it on before I put on foundation, and then one last spray after I finish my entire face. I wonder if they have a travel version. I need a travel size version of these things. This next one is from a lash company called Estaa Lashes. They gave me a really cute box that says Sylvia Jade. These are mink lashes, so really fluffy looking. Here's one. Ooh, I really like this one. This one is winged out. And oh, this one looked really nice too. I feel like I'm probably gonna like this one the best because it has like some tapering and unevenness to it, and I think that looks more natural. This one is called Dazzle Me Up. I have a lash obsession, you guys already know. I'm wearing lashes right now. Next, I have something from Sally Hansen. Whoa, this is fun. I've wanted a fanny pack for a little while now. Well, I wanted a designer fanny pack, but no, it's fine. We'll do this. Inside this really bright fanny pack is, of course, a whole bunch of nail polishes. Whoa. So these are the Miracle Gel ones, which are chip resistant, life proof. I love the Miracle Gel because it really does stay so much better and it feels like a gel polish. These are inspired by 80s punk pastel. A pastel pink, a like cotton candy pink, eggshell pastel blue. I like this color. Ooh, that's really pretty. A shimmery purple. You guys can't really see the shimmer, but there's shimmer in there. Shimmery gold, shimmery pink, and of course the top coat. So you actually don't need a base coat for these. You just put them on right on the nail and then you use the top coat, and that's what makes it gel-like. Right before I left for Florida, I went to Indeed Labs event. I've never heard of them before up until now, and Carolyn Hirons is there. I think that's how you pronounce her name. She's a YouTuber as well that focuses on skincare. She's so funny. So if she's into the skincare, then I should be as well because she is skincare queen. So it comes in a little package like this, and there are 2 products here. One of them is the Intense Moisture Lotion with hyaluronic acid, and then the other one is Vitamin C24, which is a vitamin C cream for the fine lines, wrinkles, and lack of radiance. I guess that's me in a little bit. Probably after the summer. So these I actually saw already when I went to the Buxom Raptors game, which you guys can see in my previous vlog, April vlog, but they sent us the entire collection. We didn't actually get to bring that collection home since it was brand new, but now we have it. So this is a lip polish top coat, and what's great about them is that they are holographic. Look at that. That's crazy. Amazing. Let's take a look at this coral one here. Ooh. Let's see what this looks like. Oh my god. So you can just put this on top of any of your like existing lipsticks, or you can wear it as is too. And it gives you that like plumping gleam right there. That's so pretty. It smells really good too. Next I have a book. I rarely get sent books, and I wish that I really did more. As a kid, I loved reading. Like if you go back to my parents' house, I just have shelves and shelves and shelves of books that my parents just don't know where to put them anymore. I loved reading. But as I grew up, I had less time and read less. But I am getting back into books here and there now too. I just like don't really know what books I want to read. I feel like I've always liked the fiction books, and a lot of fiction books are often like geared towards a younger audience, and I feel like the stuff that I like to read are geared towards younger audiences. So this one is called Beyond Soap, the real truth about what you're doing to your skin and how to fix it for a beautiful, healthy glow. So this book talks about the ingredients that are in all these different beauty products that we use, and how it affects our skin and just more education on those things. I'm a skin enthusiast, so I'm actually pretty excited to read all this and probably learn some new things about all these big words that are in here. Like, I have no idea what Biome is. This next very heavy package is from Nars. Nars has a collection called Erdem. Not sure what that means, but there's a lot of floral packaging happening right here. Ow! Every time I do one of these videos, it's like prone to injury. Paper cuts, cardboard cuts, you name it. I feel like Nars is truly such an artistic brand. Every time I get products from them, like a lot of times the collections are so art focused and it's gorgeous. So this one is floral. It comes in a sturdy box like this. Let's see if I can open it like this. Oh, very anticlimactic. Hold on. Look at all. It's almost like a jewelry case, but for makeup. That's insane. Okay, I'm not going to have time to show you guys everything, but there are some lipsticks. Wow, this lipstick is gorgeous. There are some lipsticks, some blushes, 3 different palettes, a lip liner, and whoa, what's that? Like a holographic highlighting stick? Let's see. Oh my god, that's crazy. Look at that, guys. Focus, camera. There we go. Wow, that went on really smoothly. Next, I have a package from OGX, which is a lot of hair products. So there's some dry shampoo. There's a hairspray, and there's also a tousle spray. I'm excited to try that. When I do like wavy hair, maybe I'll use this for more texture in it. They equipped me with some hair ties as well. And then there are 2 shampoos. I love the packaging. I love that it's like a short stumpy bottle. I don't know, something about it, I'm just really into it. And these are the Sake Essence shampoos that will help enhance your youth of your hair. Will keep your hair looking young, soft, and healthy. Nice, excited to try these. Okay, L'Oreal Colourista sent me a bunch of stuff, and I'm sure you guys have seen all this stuff before. Like, it's been marketed like crazy on like Facebook and Instagram, but I just want to focus in on this freaking unicorn battery, external battery, that is the size of a freaking paperweight. It's so heavy, but so cool. I just don't know when I would ever put this in my purse as an external charger. The point of an external charger is that you can take it with you. No one's taking this damn unicorn with you. Oh my god, this package is big. Is this big package of very great stickers on here. What is this? It is a perfume called the Yes I Am by Cacharel. I have never heard of that before. It Cosmetics Hydrating Awakening Lip Treatment. That looks really promising. I'm gonna try that. I have like 0 context as to what is going on. Oh, here we go. I found a card. Okay. Hey Bella, enjoy Cacharel's new Yes I Am fragrance. Alright, cool. Give it a try. They sent me a light box and a mirror. And also, that's one of them, the candy. Okay, you in my good books now. Last but not least, I have this massive package. Hold on. Let me try to bring it over here. Oh my god. Oh, fuck, this is like a literal workout. Thing. Aveeno, it says, I think. And this first top box, wow. Holy. Let me try to show you guys. It's like spinning around my chair. Look at that. There is a body wash, body lotion, body cream, SPF, leave-on mask, hydrating cleanser, and a daily moisturizer. And the one under it is from Neutrogena. Oh my god. Holy. Okay. I'm getting like really overwhelmed with everything that's going on. A little piece of artwork. That's nice. Okay. Neutrogena. Gotta have the wipes, obviously. They have the best wipes. Some gel scrub, some clay mask, Hydra Boost line. Oh, I want to try their light therapy acne spot. I liked their mask, so it's nice that they have like a spot one as well. And the Hydra Boost mask, that looks really promising. I want to try that mask on. I will bring it with me actually when I travel. Okay, I think that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to enter the giveaway because you guys deserve it. And make sure you follow me on Instagram because I always give away like all these random things that I don't have enough face to use all this shit. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up if you did, and I will talk to you guys again soon. See ya!